Welcome to the historically accurate cartoon princess dances. Today we're going to travel back in time and space to Middle Earth. We are going to do a Viking fire dance for the Lord of the Rings dwarves. We picked this dance because the dwarves seem to have a great deal in common with Vikings. Tolkien studied a lot of different Norse and mythology that he wove into all of his tales, and his dwarves seem to draw heavily from Norse mythology. So we have chosen a Viking fire dance for our Lord of the Ring dwarves. The Viking fire dance that we picked today is from the Norway Viking Museum, and I used the same song that they used when they taught it in Norway. So without further ado, our Viking fire dance for Lord of the Ring dwarves. Step 1 in my Viking fire dance is a side together, left, right. It looks like this. And they will turn their back so you can follow along and go left, right. It looks like this. Step 2 will be step kicks, side left, kick right, side right, kick left. It looks like this. And with their backs to you, and when we put this fire dance together for our dwarves, it will look like this. And side together, step, kick, side together, step, kick. When they turn their backs to you so you can follow along, it will look like this. Left foot, side together, step, kick, side together, step, kick. When we put the whole dance together, it will look like this.